What's going on, y'all? Welcome to episode 3 of my XV750 build series. In the last episode, you saw me tear the engine apart. In this episode, I'm going to clean the carbon buildup from the piston heads, from the valves, and from the combustion chambers. I'm also going to rebuild the carburetors, hone the cylinders, and install new piston rings. Let's get into it. So check this out. This just came in the mail. This is the front end off of an O2R1. This is what I'm going to be putting on the front of this bike. It does have a leak on this fork here. You can kind of see the little puddle there of the fluid coming out of there. So I will probably just be sending this in to get the forks or the seals replaced on both of these. The stem here is the stock R1 stem. I'll be sending this the bottom triple clamp to Cognito Moto to get them to press in a stem that'll fit the XV750 frame. I got this for a pretty good price on eBay. Comes with the clip-ons and all that. So, real excited. That'll be coming soon. Okay, so this is the inside of the cylinder. This is what it looks like before honing. You can see it's got uh, like a mirror finish to it, real shiny. We want to dull that shine with the hone tool, and kind of what it's supposed to do is add like a crosshatch pattern, which will hold the oil. This is my first time doing this, so we'll see how it looks here once I'm done with it. Okay, so here's what it looks like when it's done. Not exactly how I thought it would, but the mirror finish is gone and you can see the marks there. So it looks good to me. We'll see how it works. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Next time I'll be reassembling the engine, installing new gaskets, replacing the stock camshaft bushings with ball bearings, and painting the engine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Feel free to leave a comment, and of course subscribe. Hit the bell icon if you want to get notified when I drop new videos. And if you want to keep up with daily updates on this build, feel free to follow me on my Instagram at am.cxc. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.